in the chat box for me if you're excited about this and the crazy potential that comes with it. Just the word excited, right? Let me see you guys. Love it, love it, love it. Larry, Josie, Janicki, Rudy, Amanda, Larry, Barry, Derek, awesome. Perry, Mick, Evelyn, Sandy, Walter. What's up, guys? What's up? Nimi, I hope I pronounced that right. Robson, Perry, John, Joe, love it. Excited, excited, excited. Love it. Cool. You guys are awesome. All right, cool. So let's get started with the live demo. And I'm going to show you how powerful this is. What I'm going to do, and just to make sure I do this correctly, let me minimize this. I'm sorry. If I close this, folks, can you see my screen right now? I do want to make sure that you guys can see my screen. Let me just check in the comments. You guys could. Okay, cool. Just to make sure we're all on the same page. I'm not talking and showing you how awesome this is, and then you're like, Rob, we didn't see a thing you were showing. It sounded exciting, but I didn't see anything. So, all right, cool, guys. So what I'm going to do here, this is it's a powerful plugin. So you would simply just install it right into WordPress, and here it is. So first thing you see Video Studio here in the left, and these are actually posts that I've already created. But I'm going to do one with you guys here. Okay, so the first, and this is so simple. That's what I like about this. It's user friendly. It's simple to use, and it does the job and then some. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here on Discover and Curate, right? And what it does is it automatically, with freaking cool technology, it'll find all of the trending videos across the web, right? That's the first thing. So if you don't even have a video idea or something that you want to promote, or you're just looking for different ideas, this right here is a ton of different videos of ones that are trending right now across the web, which is awesome, right? The amount of views. I mean, look at this one. It's a little grayed in. I know you can't see it too clear, my friends, but over 600,000 views, 600,000 views, 200,000 views. So that's one thing. Now, let's say you want to be specific, right? So I'm going to type in weight loss, right? And again, you can use this for anything, okay? Don't be limit. Don't think it's limited to what I'm searching for. Obviously, you can search for anything. So it finds a bunch of results, right? Let me actually, I think I went to the second page. Here we go. I'm going to do a yoga example. So here we go. Yoga for weight loss, strengthen and lengthen. Oh, actually, I know what it's doing. It's actually loading a bunch more videos. So let me catch it before it loads all the other ones. So I'm going to click to select that. As you can see, as soon as I click it, boom, it populates this on top and it says start building now. It's really that simple. Just so you know, you can actually select more than one video, but to keep this simple for you guys, I'm going to actually just do it with one video for now. All right, now, as you can see, when we go to the next page, it automatically populates the title. It automatically populates the description. Now, you may want to change this up, right? You might want to add something to the title. You might want to take it out completely, right, and change it up. Yoga for, yoga for fun is awesome. Something like that. I don't know. But whatever your title is, you can put it there. And then whatever your description is, you can put that there as well, right? You can actually change it up with your link here, all that good stuff. Now, what you can do here is choose your image file. So whatever you want your custom video thumbnail to be, you can actually select that. I would highly recommend that you always put a compelling video thumbnail, because that's the first thing that people will see for your video, before they click play, right? So here we go. Now, you can create a return ROI campaign, right? You want to have money coming from these video campaigns, right? You want to create income. You want to make sales. So the software here gives you different examples. You have a lead capture form, right? It depends what you're doing, right? Are you selling a product? Are you looking to build your list? Right? Because if you're looking to build your list, you would use the lead capture form. If you want to just have a video ad there, you can actually set it up so that whatever video URL you have, you can actually put in there, and I'll show you an example, so that at any time that the original video is playing, your ad will come up and your video will start playing. a lot of you guys may be familiar with this if you're watching videos on YouTube, right? Maybe one of your favorite music videos or something. And then after a few seconds, or I think after a few seconds, you see the ad come up, right? And then you got a couple of seconds if you want to click skip the ad. Well, this is the same technology right in here, except those ads are not going to be of, other people's products. They're going to be of your products, of your services. So how powerful is that? You can also do an annotation, right? So something there, maybe a coupon notice or something like that, a CTA button, or a banner, right? So there's a lot of different options for you to monetize your videos, and it's already being done on the web all in all. So, just for a quick example, I'm going to select CTA button. I'm going to hit customize. You can actually change the words to whatever you want. Get started now, right? Or one that's I think one that works really well is check this out, or you could write something else that compels them to click that. You know maybe uh, coupon available here. Maybe you're showing a video on a product or something, and then you want to have something, a coupon. So get your coupon here or something like that. That's just an example. And then you can move this button anywhere you want, wherever you think it makes sense that it looks good. So target URL. Let's, for example purposes, just to keep it generic here, right? We have a video studio webinar, right? Videostudio.io, right? For where it's going to go once they click on that. Then you could change the color here, anything you want, right? It's all live, real time. Whatever you change here, we'll edit here. Let's go with green looks pretty good. And actually, okay, we'll go with yellow, right? And then you can actually have it appear at any time. So if you wanted your CTA button to appear at, let's say, 2 minutes or maybe 30 seconds, you can select that, or you can actually just put it right in here, right? Just like that, and it will disappear at what time. I'm going to put 5 seconds so that once I show you guys, you'll be able to see it there. Display if video is paused. So if the video is paused, do you still want your coupon to show there? That's up to you. You can check it. You can leave it off. Then I'm going to actually add campaign to video, right? It's really that simple. Then you see it's listed right there. Add some keywords. So this is really important, guys, for SEO. Just making sure your video sites are actually getting ranked. So some keywords: yoga, weight loss, right? And then some tags. We'll put video studio. We'll put yoga fitness, right? Just different ones, obviously. Then enter a keyword. What I think is really cool about this, guys, is that having social engagement on your site is powerful. So you don't have to go to Twitter. I said that kind of funny, right? Twitter. You don't have to go to Twitter or Google Plus to actually look for these. What's really cool is you can actually just type yoga, for example, right? If I type in yoga, it'll search Twitter's database and find all different tweets about yoga. And then once it loads, you can actually select one or more of the tweets that come up. And then, so let's see here. See-through yoga pants, rock. Okay, so I'll select that one. Not even yoga. Okay, that's a little mean what it said there. But you guys get my drift here. You can actually select, looking forward to yoga all day long. That's a good one too. Different tweets that people have put just to put some social engagement on your site. I'm going to do the same thing for Google Plus here. I'm going to search. I'm just looking at the comments here while you guys are actually watching me, just to make sure everything's cool. Fantastic. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. Everybody's engaged, right? Like, what is he doing? Oh, this is awesome. Yoga. So are you ready to bloom? All right, I guess we'll put that one. And we'll select Yoga Nidra is a powerful technique. Okay, we'll put that one too. So you guys can see I just selected about 2 on each, Google Plus and Twitter. I'm going to hit next to authority. It's really this simple, folks. Can you guys see how simple this is? I'm not just exaggerating, right? It's literally clicking a button, clicking a mouse. Okay, so now you can actually, it'll actually find other videos that are relevant to the video that you're putting here. So you can type in, yoga, and it'll search and find other videos that are similar to or references, and then related videos here. All different information that you can add to your video site to actually make it more, better for SEO, for rankings, and all that good stuff, and have more social engagement as well. So I'm going to hit check mark on there. I'm going to select that one. I'll select that one too because it has something. in common, right? So you guys see that, and then you could select some references, right? Yoga and Bikram yoga, right? So anyhow, then once you're done with that, you can hit next to publish. And folks, the only reason this has taken like a couple of seconds or about a minute is because I'm explaining it to you. But if you're doing this on your own, boom, 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 you go through each step. Oh, and then here, category. You can actually select a category that's already there or just add a category. So I added weight loss and yoga. You can add another one very simply. Golf if you like golf, whatever you guys want to, or training, right? Maybe these are training campaigns you have or categories. So then you hit finish. Excuse me. And then once that's finished, it'll actually load here, right here. Okay, so you see, I did this one before, although I wanted to show you each of the steps. And okay, so now I'm going to click go to post, right? It's really that simple. And what it did is it actually created and a whole video site for your video. So you got the video here. You got the title there. You got the description here. You got the Twitter tweets there for the social engagement. You got the Google Plus comments there. References are there. You got the related videos. Who thinks that's freaking awesome just with that alone? I mean, I did that in 30 seconds. Sometimes a page like this would take half an hour, 30, an hour, sometimes hours, right? So this was so simple and all created for you, right? I love the engagement you guys are giving me here. Totally awesome. Yeah, freaking awesome. Now watch this, right? That's not even the cream of the crop, so to say. The whole point is to have the video making you money, right? It's so awesome that all of this was created. But let's play the video. So if we hit play, right, I think we set it to 5 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Let me just mute the sound here, actually. And you know what? Let me just make sure that it would. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe we set it for a little later. But coupon available here. So I may want to move that up only because of this play bar here and to make it obviously a lot more noticeable. But once I click on that, boom, it goes to the site that you want it to go to. So I did videostudio.io, right? So it went to that site right there. You guys with me? I would probably move this up a little bit so it's not in the way of the play bar and it looks a lot better. But this is all, this is what you do. It's so awesome to be able to, test things out in like seconds that you were able to create this and wouldn't have to like recreate the whole page or whatever because of one thing you want to change. So I would go right back into the campaign and edit it and then just move it up a little bit and it should be solid. So that's just an example. Coupon available here. You got your CTA button there, which is awesome while they're watching the video. And again, you have different options when you're creating different campaigns here. Now, another example I wanted to show you is one that I had here ready. And just so you guys know, you see how simple this layout looks? A lot of times, some of you are saying, well, that looks ugly. I don't like that page. Well, it all depends on the theme that you have. And, there are flagship video themes that work perfectly with the plugin, which is included for free in the members area. So I'll show you guys how to get that. And then in addition to that, they're improving to make it work with other themes with future updates. So if you want this to look totally different and a different layout, that's totally okay. Don't judge this based on just the page. This is just the theme. All right, a lot of you guys are with me on that? Okay, cool. And then I just want to show you another example here. And then let me just refresh the page here. So if I play this video, right, this was using a different, a different different marketing technique here. So you see what happened there. I'm going to hit skip. Just so you guys know, okay, so you see what happened there, right? I played the video, first few seconds, and then a video ad came up, right? So we selected the option video ad. Then the WWE video came up. Now that video can obviously be your product. Some people are saying my voice is gone again. You guys with me? Just give me guys a quick yes in the chat. I'm a little excited here. Okay, you guys still with me? Okay, cool. Thanks, guys. I played the video, and then the video ad came up. Now, that video ad is WWE. It's just an example, but that would be your product or your service or your sales video, whatever it may be. That would be your video. And then when they click on the actual video like I did, you guys saw it took me to the WWE website, right? So I'm going to do that one more time really quick, and then I'm going to get right back into the presentation, guys, because today we're going to have the world's first tooth extraction with a badass sling bow. I'm going to go ahead and see, so it's starting the video now, the video ad. So once they hit, Once they hit skip, it'll go right back to the video. So it's like a video ad right there, and it went to the WWE website. Of course, that would be your product website or your service website. So guys, I know this is very powerful. I want to jump back into the presentation for you guys and show you guys how to get access to this. So let me just minimize this, right? And I should have my presentation right over here. Let me know you guys see that and you're with me. Right, so we're going to go to here we go, play from current slide. Okay,